Happy sunny Saturday from Grisslinge Havsbad in Varmdö. This beautiful sandy beach, just around 25 minutes bus ride from Slussen, and you can be in this paradise. And I really thought that it's gonna be crowded here, but it seems like the people of Stockholm and the tourists have abandoned the sea and the public beaches. But there were just some people in winter clothes around, even though it is 18 degrees Celsius in the air, which for me is summer. And then I will have to enjoy this sea just for myself, as it is not that cold. 18 degrees Celsius in the air currently. It's gonna be even 19 later. And I'm really wondering how warm it is in the sea. So let's come and check out while I show you all of the beach. As usually when I come here in summer, there are people everywhere, and I'm not able to film most of the beach as I don't really like to film other people. It's not so convenient, especially not from close up. But now I can film all of the beach because there isn't nobody on the beach. There are a few people now on the private beach that's on the other side, but they are just sitting on the jetty. And here we have also a pool for children because there are no waves over here. I'm not gonna measure there because I'm not gonna swim there. I'm gonna swim all the way to the jumping platform and go in for a swim there into the sea. And while the measurement is done, then there are some kind of waves here today. There is even a children's playground as well, as you can see. And mostly sunny, it said it's going to be today, but now some clouds appear from nowhere. And yeah, today is beach the number 112 on this 13th of December. And let's see what does the water thermometer has to say for the water temperature. All right, 18.5, but I think it's closer to 19. So I'm just gonna round up to 19, as the temperature also of the air is around between 18 and 19 now, so it's the same. And that means that we're gonna have a perfect swim into the sea. It is actually quite early, 10:50. Well, I don't know, the breakfast time has passed already for most of the families, but I'm so happy that I am all alone in this sandy beach. And now let's hit the sea. It's a bit windy, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't feel cold at all. I really love this kind of temperature when it's around 20 and sunny. Under the sun it feels a lot warmer than it actually is. So let's then take a swim to the platform there and jump also from it, as I show you more of Grisslinge Havsbad and how it looks like. This is one of the closest sandy beaches on the sea, closest to the city center of the city, that you can easily get to, as there are multiple buses here. So I think I'm gonna jump also here. So ready, set, and go! It was not that deep here. I touched some stones, but I'm alright. I'm so happy right now. I just can't describe how happy I am to be having this whole beach just for myself. And it feels great to see people with autumn and winter jackets passing by and watching the swim. But the water is very warm. I'm not gonna lie. I don't feel cold at all. Yesterday I was also on the sea in Torpasand and Varmdö, and then I swam 2 times 10 minutes. Let's see if I can manage today to swim half an hour in a full swing, one swing. Okay, I think I'm ready to jump as well from the jumping platform. Here there is some kind of a goodies and glass, some candy shop where you can buy, but also I think it's a restaurant where you can eat, but I don't do that. I brought with myself protein drink and a croissant for a fraction of the price that you would have to pay there at the restaurant. So I have my protein with me. Okay, on all of the episodes where I'm here in Grisslinge, I always jump from the platform, and usually there are people on the beach, so I don't film that much towards the beach, but now I can film as summer is still on and it's time to continue the beach adventures, and I think I will be one of the few people that will jump today from this jumping platform. Here is how it looks. Grisslinge Havsbad. The only downside is that it's close to a very well trafficked road, and other than that it's quite okay, I would say. And yeah, then it's time for me to jump. Here there have been some birds taking over the platform. It's actually a bit shaky, the platform today, and there are even 2 benches to sit on. And there is even get into the water with a wheelchair, a handicap spot as well. And you can swim all around here. It's so nice. So yeah, Grisslinge Havsbad, and it's time for me to jump into the sea. That was amazing. That was amazing. Beach adventures with Kris. The best possible Saturday to enjoy. I just really love September because I can visit finally the public beaches without any people and have this whole beach just for myself. It's amazing. Alright, so that is a wrap from Grisslinge Havsbad. It's time for me to enjoy fully this day on the sea and swim a lot and sunbathe. It's gonna be sunny all day long. So 13th September, this is what we do in Sweden, at least I. And the other people are just walking with winter clothes. Just kidding, yeah. Greetings and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!